Hi, dear viewers and friends. This is Arash Kamali with another session of the website programming course on the Python programming language and the Django framework. A very warm welcome from me. In the previous session, we made the master page. We set the footer, the menus, and the upper part inside it, and later on, we changed the body and these parts on the home page. Now we want to do the same with the about page. In the about page, the upper and the footer sections, we want them to be read from master and only change the body. Alright, I go for the about page. Let's find based on the address. Alright, yeah, it must be there. Okay, that's right. Let's enter it. In the first line, I should tell it where to extend it from or where to get it from. That is, you write the address of the master page. All right, extend from front and master.html. All right, now I need to search and find the sections that I need. Where are they? Now I close the header first. Let's first do it. This is the About Us section. We want a section from here, the central part. And as you see, we have nothing to do with the footer and the upper part. They stay the same. Of course, we can remove these links here as well. Here, we can remove them. Let's do it. This part, I want to remove them. I cut this. Okay, all right, and I clean the rest of the page. I don't need them. I remove the part that I wanted to keep here. I write the block again. I write block, main block, and then what do? What I do is that I end the block. Now I set the contents that I had removed here at a center. All right, and now I see my about page. As you see, my about page looks like this, and it has been made. A new page called about page has been made an address. The footer section where my themes is and the upper part of the site. Now I go to the master and make a little bit of changes in my footer part. Let's do it. In the footer, for instance, I say my theme 2. That is what is going to show. Now this is my about page. It has changed to my theme 2, and this is my home page. All right, it has changed to my theme 2. All right, by doing so, as I said, when we have a master page, the changes will be applied to the whole site once the changes are made on the master page. I just set up the appearance of the page using the master page, the upper part and the footer, which is common in all the site, and the body, which changes the first page, looks like this. The mutable and immutable parts. The about looks like this, and in other pages there are differences in appearances that it could have, but I use master for all of them, and I'm sure the upper and the footer parts stay the same now.